Imagine if I told you that an octopus has 3 hearts, or that your body is literally made of stardust. It sounds fake, but it's all 100% real science. Stay till the end, because the last fact will completely blow your mind. Number 10. Bananas are radioactive. Imagine picking up a banana and realizing it's technically radioactive. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's completely real. Bananas contain potassium, an essential mineral your body needs to function. However, a tiny fraction of that potassium exists as an isotope called potassium-40, which is naturally radioactive. Now before you panic, here's the important part: the radiation level is extremely low. In fact, scientists use something called the banana equivalent dose just to explain small amounts of radiation in a relatable way. To actually harm yourself, you would need to eat around 10 million bananas in a short time, which is obviously impossible. Your body would give up long before the radiation became a problem. So yes, every time you eat a banana, you're consuming a tiny bit of radiation, but it's completely safe. A harmless, slightly radioactive snack. Number 9. Your body glows in the dark. Right now, your body is glowing. Not metaphorically, literally. Scientists in Japan discovered that the human body emits a very faint light, known as bioluminescence. This glow is caused by chemical reactions happening inside your cells. When energy is produced, tiny amounts of light are released as a byproduct. The reason you've never seen it is simple: the light is about 1,000 times weaker than what the human eye can detect. Interestingly, this glow changes throughout the day. It's usually strongest in the afternoon and weakest late at night. So even though you can't see it, your body is constantly shining, silently and invisibly. You're basically a walking, dim light source. Number 8. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses might be the closest thing we have to aliens on Earth. These fascinating creatures have not 1, but 3 hearts. 2 of those hearts pump blood to the gills, where oxygen is absorbed. The 3rd heart is responsible for circulating oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. But here's where it gets strange. When an octopus swims, the main heart that supplies the body actually stops beating temporarily. This makes swimming extremely exhausting for them. That's why octopuses prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming long distances. Their entire biology is so unique that scientists often study them to better understand alternative forms of intelligence and life systems. Number 7. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This sounds impossible, but physics says otherwise. Under very specific conditions of temperature and pressure, water can exist in all 3 states, solid, liquid, and gas, at the exact same time. This phenomenon is called the triple point. In everyday life, we only see water freeze or boil separately. But in controlled environments, like scientific labs, researchers can recreate this rare condition where ice, liquid water, and vapor coexist in perfect balance. It's a powerful reminder that the rules of nature are far more flexible and strange than they appear. Number 6. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks are older than trees. Let that sink in. Trees first appeared on Earth around 350 million years ago. But sharks? They've been around for over 400 million years. That means sharks were already swimming in Earth's oceans before the first tree even existed. They've survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, Because of this, sharks are often referred to as living fossils, creatures that have remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. They are living proof of nature's resilience and adaptability. Number 5. It rains glass on another planet. There is a planet where it literally rains glass. The planet is called HD 189733b, located far beyond our solar system. It's a gas giant with extreme conditions, temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius and winds blowing at over 8,000 kilometers per hour. In this environment, silicate particles melt into tiny droplets of glass. These droplets are then carried by powerful winds, creating a terrifying phenomenon, sideways glass rain. Imagine razor-sharp glass shards flying through the air at incredible speeds. This isn't just strange, it's deadly. It's one of the most extreme weather systems ever discovered. Number 4. You can't taste food without saliva. Try this simple experiment. Dry your mouth completely, and then try to taste something. You'll notice that the flavor is almost gone. That's because saliva plays a critical role in your ability to taste. It dissolves food particles into chemicals that your taste buds can detect. Without saliva, your taste buds simply can't process flavors effectively. So the next time food tastes amazing, remember, it's not just your tongue doing the work. Your saliva is a key part of the experience. Number 3. Your brain can eat itself. This one sounds disturbing, but it's actually beneficial. When your body is low on energy, like during fasting, your brain activates a process called autophagy. During autophagy, your brain breaks down old or damaged cells and recycles them for energy. Think of it as a built-in cleaning and recycling system. This process helps maintain brain health and may even play a role in preventing certain diseases. So yes, your brain can eat itself, but it does so in a controlled and helpful way. Number 2. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts have described space in a very unexpected way. After returning from spacewalks, astronauts often report a strange smell clinging to their suits. They describe it as similar to burnt steak, hot metal, or welding fumes. Since space is a vacuum, you can't actually smell anything out there. However, particles attach to the suits and react with oxygen inside the spacecraft, creating this distinct odor. It's a small but fascinating detail that makes space feel just a little more real, and a little more strange. Number 1. You are made of stardust. This is not poetry. It's science. Every atom in your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, was formed inside stars billions of years ago. When massive stars reached the end of their life cycle, they exploded in powerful events called supernovae. These explosions scattered elements across the universe. Over time, those elements came together to form planets. And eventually, life. Including you. So when you look up at the night sky, remember this. You are not just in the universe. You are part of it. Which fact shocked you the most? Comment below, and if you love content like this, make sure to subscribe to FactHorizon for more mind-blowing facts every week.